Hello everybody, my name is Carl from Vitzy629's channel, and today I'm in the cellar. Well, that's because I have my very own workshop down here, so I can work on Game Boy modding and other stuff. Right here, I recently spray painted the Game Boy Advance buttons, the B button and the L button green. That's because I do not go on Kitschbat anymore for the green Game Boy Advance buttons. So I'd rather just do my own spray painting instead for the green Game Boy Advance buttons. And I have spray paints down there, which I'll show you now. I have dark gray, blue, green, and clear. And there's some newspapers in case you want to spray paint. I just gave you a quick tour. Oh, one more thing. There's tape right here. I might sooner. I will put some tools in there soon, along with Game Boy Advance shells and other Game Boy console shells. Anyways, that's it. Goodbye.